Welcome to probability video 8.2, two intersecting sets. So here's the example 2. We've got 100 students that are in band, sports, or both of those. We know 50 total students are in band, and of those 50 band students, 10 are also in sports. How many total students are in sports? Okay, I'll show you two methods of doing this. With a picture or with that previous formula we had for two overlapping sets. All right, so I drew a Venn diagram here. My total universe is those 100 students that are in band, sports, or both. And I've got two overlapping sets, band and sports. Again, you could be in both, so we could overlap the sets. Now here's a common mistake. Students read 50 total students in band, don't do this, but they put 50 there. That's incorrect. If I put a number there, it means students that are only in band. Okay? So since some of them are here, that 50 represents that whole circle. So do not do that. It's best to start at the inside and branch your way out. Oh, there's 10 of those students that are also in sports. So I'm going to put the 10 right there. There's 10 of those students that are in both band and sports. Oh, then if I had a total of 50, I've got 40 right here. And that's how my 50 works out. And then for over here, I could just do all these three sections have to add up to 100. So the 40 and the 10 is 50. So there's going to be 50 over here. And then they cared about how many total students are in sports. So that would be this sum here. So total in sports would equal 10 plus 50 would equal 60. So that's just doing it purely with the diagram. Let me show you how to use the formula. The number that are in band or sports, I'm not going to use that number, that just gets a little bit confusing. So when I put B or S, I mean the number of students in band or the number of students in sports, equals B plus S minus B and S. You add the two circles and subtract the footballs. Okay, well, they gave me the 100 students are somewhere in here, so I've got the 100 here. They told me I've got 50 students in the band. I don't know how many total are in sports, and they told me that I've got 10 in both. So just filling out those quantities, again, the 100 in either, the 50 in band, and the 10 in that football. And then I could just algebraically solve that. So 100 equals 40 plus S, just the 50 minus 10, and then subtract 40, so 60 equals S. So S equals 60. So there you have it, how to find the number of students that are in sports based on two overlapping Venn diagrams.